Hello everyone, welcome to Nandini Talks. Today we will learn why IoT is important. IoT connects devices, shares data, and automates various tasks. The first importance of IoT is device connectivity. It allows smart devices to communicate with each other through the internet. IoT saves time and effort by reducing manual work. Many tasks can be automated, making life more convenient. The next importance is IoT improves efficiency by collecting real time data. This helps in monitoring systems and making better decisions. IoT is used in many fields such as smart homes, healthcare, agriculture, and smart cities. So, in conclusion, IoT is important because it saves time, improves efficiency, and also makes our life smarter. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Nandini Talks. Stay connected for more educational and technology related videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.